Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rico and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to talk about ways to carrier unlock your iPhone so you can drastically up the value of a prospective device. So you know how we do it on this channel, man. Let's jump right into it. If you've been following us on our phone flipping journey, then you know we pretty much tried to cover every aspect of phone flipping, right? Well, I wanted to cover this part because I've briefly mentioned it in the past and I really want to drive it home and reiterate how much an unlocked device can really drive up the value of a phone. But first, I'm gonna bring everybody who's not up to speed. For those of us that don't know what an unlocked phone is, so basically every phone is made to work with a carrier, right? Sprint, Verizon, AT&T, you name it. They all have certain phones, right? So an iPhone for Sprint wouldn't work on Verizon and vice versa. So when a device is unlocked, it's actually unlocked to where it's compatible with any carrier. And I'm sure you can already imagine why that device would be more valuable than a device that was not unlocked. So today we're gonna jump into 3 ways on how to get devices unlocked. Let's jump right into it. And I'm definitely saving the best for last, so make sure you watch the whole video. The first way I'm gonna recommend is online unlock services, okay? So there's actually a lot of phone unlocking services out there on the internet, right? And it's actually hard to sift through and figure out which ones are legit. There's one that I really would recommend, and that's unlockriver.com. And I've used them before. They are legit, and you can even go look at their reviews. Most people are satisfied with their purchase. So this is the way it works. You send them the IMEI number. They're gonna send you a code back to put in your phone to unlock the device, and they're gonna send it email. When you enter the code, you're gonna get a firmware update, which is a software update basically, and then boom, your phone is unlocked. You can now use this device on any carrier as the SIM is unlocked, also making your device that much more valuable. Unlock River does claim to be 100% permanent. From my experience, that has been the case, so I can't dispute that. And yes, they do charge for unlocks. However, they do have a money back guarantee. So in the rare case that your IMEI cannot be unlocked, they will send you your money back. And before you ask, yes, that's happened to me and they did give me my money back. So they're legit, trust. Now, sometimes it can take days to get the unlock code, okay? And from what I've noticed, Sprint devices are the hardest and most expensive unlocks, and AT&T are the most hassle-free and cheap unlock. The second way I'm gonna recommend, and this one actually brings a big smile to my face simply because I remember the first day that I even discovered it, right? And this is eBay unlock services, all right? Now, honestly, like I said, when I found this, I completely abandoned the online services. And why? The prices are much better, and now I'm protected by the trust of eBay's money back guarantee. And you know how I always say eBay sides with the buyers. Well, I was comfortable seeing that. All right, so the eBay services are a lot like the online services, right? What you'll notice though on eBay is that they sort of have more specialists, right? So you'll see a guy who only does the iPhone 4 through 7 for AT&T. And then you'll see a guy who does all iPhones, but only Virgin Mobile and things like that. So don't worry, there's somebody for everybody on there. Hey, what's going on? Real quick, I want to ask if I'm providing you any value. If you can, subscribe to this channel, man. Like this video and comment. Let me know what you think. That would mean a lot to me. Back to what y'all came to see. And you can sort of tell that the landscape of these people, they're designed for people like us, flippers, right? Because they also, not only do they offer single unlocks, but they offer bulks, right? And who else would need bulk phone unlocks other than flippers? So it's like I found home when I found eBay's unlocking service. It was like, wow. All right, now most of them say that they can unlock a device anywhere within 5 minutes to 4 days. So you got to be prepared to wait. However, the top sellers usually are the quickest, so I'm pretty sure that it's rare that it's 4 days. I'm just telling you to be prepared because it's happened before. And then, like I said, it's simple. It's just like the online services. When you place the order, you send them your IMEI number and you wait for them to respond with your unlock code, okay? Now, most of these sellers also do offer a money back guarantee, but in most cases, this is where they don't, and why it's important for you to check the IMEI before you purchase the device. All right, now here's the way that everybody's been waiting on. This is my favorite way. This is hands down the best way. And Why? Because it's free and not many people even know it's possible. And that is having the carrier unlock it for you. Now, most of you probably watching this is like, bro, why would they give me the code to unlock a device to take their phone to another carrier? Okay, and let me break that down to you. The carrier will give you the unlock code. However, some conditions apply. All right, so the whole idea is if the phone isn't stolen, blacklisted, not paid off, or attached to someone else's bill, or attached to someone's delinquent bill, then the carrier has no reason not to unlock the phone. I know AT&T has a way to do it online to check and see if your device is eligible, but for the most part, you call Sprint, whichever, and you say, hey, is my device eligible to be unlocked? They'll ask for the IMEI code, and they'll pretty much tell you, oh yeah, we can turn that over to you, fine. Or they can tell you, no, this device is blacklisted, it can't be on, we can't release it, or it's connected to an old bill and we can't release it. So that's why, number one, I always stress to, if you can, buy your devices unlocked. Or if not, then I always suggest that you do a deep dive into the IMEI number just to make sure that it's even capable of being unlocked. Because my plan always when I'm getting a device is I want to unlock it, unless it's a popular phone on, like the iPhone 8 with Verizon or AT&T. For some reason, the iPhone 8 with those two carriers are popular, so you never really need to unlock those. But it's good to do it just in case. So also shout out to my boy Sonics, man. He hit me up with this information, and he just reminded me, like, yo bro, you can do that. And I was like, oh yeah, that's right, you can do that. So I didn't want to take up too much of y'all time on this Friday, man. Let's get out there, let's be productive. Also, that sheet is coming. I'm gonna be working on it all weekend to try to, I'm a designer, so I overcomplicate stuff. So I'm just trying to make it look nice and pretty for y'all. So that's going to be it for today, man. I love everybody out there. Please, if you like my content, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't hesitate to click one of these videos that they're about to show y'all. It helps my channel as well. So like that, man, let's have a good Friday. Let's get it.